In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete iMessage apps from that toolbar. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Messages app, then get into some conversation and then just tap at text messages field. After that, just scroll to the very left, just drag it to the very right position, and that's where you can find this More button. Just tap on it, and then all you have to do in order to delete some apps from that toolbar is just hit at Edit, and now it allows us to customize this toolbar. So by hitting at that minus sign, we can remove some app from favorites, and also if we want to turn off some app, we can just turn off that switchers, and also we can change in that simple way, change the order of the apps in the toolbar. Once we've done with that, we can just hit at done and done again. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.